Dios, your device need a repair. We offer a free diagnostic, collection, and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this video, we will delve into the warranty details of the Lenovo Yoga C740 and provide you with essential maintenance tips to keep your device running smoothly. First, let's discuss the warranty coverage. The Lenovo Yoga C740 typically comes with a 1-year limited warranty, which covers manufacturing defects but does not include accidental damage. It's crucial to register your device on the Lenovo website to ensure you have access to support and warranty services. Now, let's move on to maintenance. Regular cleaning is vital for the longevity of your laptop. You will need a few tools for this task: a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and a soft, lint-free cloth. Start by turning off your device and unplugging it from any power source. Next, remove the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as they can be quite small and easy to lose. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel off. This will expose the internal components of your Yoga C740. Using the can of compressed air, carefully blow out any dust and debris from the fans and vents. This step is crucial as it helps prevent overheating, which can lead to performance issues. If you notice any significant dust buildup, you may want to consider a more thorough cleaning. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without any hassle. After cleaning, take a moment to inspect the internal components for any signs of wear or damage. If you see anything concerning, it's best to consult a professional. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done before committing to any repairs. Once you've completed the internal cleaning, carefully replace the back panel and reinsert the screws. Make sure they are tightened securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can damage the casing. Now that your device is clean, let's talk about software maintenance. Regularly updating your operating system and drivers is essential for optimal performance. Check for updates in the settings menu and install any that are available. This will help keep your device secure and running efficiently. If you encounter any issues that you cannot resolve, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We offer a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs involved up front. Remember, there's no need for calls or travel. We can handle everything from the comfort of your home. In summary, maintaining your Lenovo Yoga C740 is crucial for its longevity and performance. Regular cleaning, software updates, and knowing when to seek professional help will ensure your device remains in excellent condition. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.